Hi everybody, welcome back to the Hard Info channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can easily change the volume level of your Marshall Tufton speaker. So actually we have two ways of doing so. The first one is using the phone itself. We can just increase the volume level in our phone and decrease the volume level in our phone. The second is to find the volume slider, which is I don't see correctly here, which is here, and we can increase by just sliding it to the 10 and decrease by sliding to the 0. But don't turn off your speaker accidentally. That's it. Hope it helps you. Have a nice day. Goodbye.